Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in Fewer Than Two. I told you Elon was going to destroy Twitter, or at least was in the process of destroying Twitter over all of these months. And of course, all the Elon stans were like, he is not, he's making Twitter better. Twitter's much better with Elon. And now those same Elon stans, now that Elon has literally destroyed Twitter and made it x.com, are saying, the same ones, saying, well, of course Twitter needed to die. Long live x.com. Which is it? Which god do you worship? Because it can't be both, okay? I'm not begrudging Elon for doing what he wants to do, nor am I casting aspersions over a platform that doesn't yet exist. Like the idea of a platform, this utopian, do anything, be anything to everyone, x.com, still a great idea, but it's a pipe dream. Twitter, for all its faults, was a brand. It was a strong brand. And when you take people who are accustomed to using a platform a certain way and you shove them into some other type of experience, you're going to get pushback. And that's not to say that everyone's going to push back. And that's not to say that you don't buy into the idea of what he wants it to be. But taking that brand and basically destroying it is destroying everything that he bought. I mean, yes, he bought users, but if those users don't want to move along, I mean, I'm not drawing exact parallels to what Google did with Google+, but they foisted a network onto people who had a Gmail account. That was the wrong way of going. But if you look at the way Meta has handled Threads, even though Threads isn't perfect today, it's still getting started, they ran it alongside Instagram. And some would argue that Instagram changed the moment they introduced Reels. I wouldn't necessarily argue against that point. Still, when Threads launched, it launched in parallel with Instagram. It didn't stomp Instagram. Instagram, it became separate. It was an experiment. And I still think that this is just it's a bad idea to have destroyed Twitter. It's just bad. But it's Elon's business. It's his business.